We're gonna check this throttle body and also the air filter. To make sure this throttle body is clean. I'm just gonna open this. And we're gonna open this one also. And then now we have access to, and we're gonna release this hose. We can release that clamp over there, as you see. That's the one here. This sensor. There's the other hose. Now we can release this and we'll check the throttle body. We can also remove this piece. There's a, here you can see this has a huge cut. See that? That's maybe vacuum leak, and that can lead very bad idling. You can see here. So we have to remove this thing first. Here we go. So I don't have this piece. Maybe I'll just fix it. I'll use the rubber like adhesive or or sealer, and seal it and put it back again. But here you can see there's a lot of dust here. You see this oil? Very, very, very bad. So I'm gonna have to clean. See this? This is maybe why it has a rough idling. Like this is really terrible, very bad. And that's also throttle body there. Show the flash. You can see here also this is very dirty and very bad. See that? Too much oil. See? And yeah, it is very dirty. So I'm gonna have to use a carb cleaner to clean this. This is a chalk and carb cleaner. You can use a brake cleaner too. It's much better, but it needs more clean. Yeah, that's very good. You can also use this brake cleaner, brake and parts cleaner. Yeah, it's super clean now. It's very good. Now it's time to clean this. Now it's clean. Yeah, this is okay. This is clean. Now, before I use this ultra copper sealer gasket maker, this is really good. I'm gonna use a crazy glue to put this in place like that. This is instant crazy glue, and it works fantastic. It dries in seconds. So I'm just gonna hold it for about 30 seconds. So it's about 30 seconds. As you see now, it's pretty much, well, it sticks really good. And this is very strong, but also I'm gonna use I'm gonna put extra here, so that way everything stays in place. Now let's do the inside too. So this is the next day. We put crazy glue, instant glue, and it's pretty much dry then, and it's pretty good. Looks really good now. So that should hold. Now it's ready to put this thing back. Now we're just gonna put this clamp on like that. This sensor goes here, the clamp goes here. Just like that. Now, in order to put this thing in this one, we need to remove the air filter cover, the box. So it's easy to connect this. We don't want to force this too much, it may break again. So let's move this air filter. This one. Now the air filter also located here, so we may have to remove this also. Here's the air filter. The air filter looks clean. We don't need to replace it. I'll put link in the description how to clean this air filter because it's washable. You can watch that video too, and so it's pretty much, this is all good to go. Now we're just gonna put this thing in back again. I might have to remove this also. Okay. Now let's put this one first. We need to make sure this is tight. Here we go. Push. Make sure this one come this way, and it has to be lined up with this. You can see here. So line up and pushed all the way, just like that. Okay, that's good. And this cable goes in here. Just like that. Okay. Now we need to tighten this clamp. Let's make sure it's tight. بعد لك. Yeah, that's good. Looks good now. Now we can connect this plugged in like that. Okay, make sure it's locked in. We're gonna put this box cover back in, and we're gonna go this way first. Same thing, line up here. See this, like that. Okay. And then this one goes one here, and then one here. Here we go. Okay, this one goes here. And then there's one more, you see this hose? This hose goes in here. Here we go. I'm just gonna tie this a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Now I'm just gonna tighten this air filter. Line up, just need to line up this thing. Here we go. Push it all the way and make sure it's lined up like that. That's good. Now this thing is gonna go this one here, this one, and then this one. That looks good.